Hey, g'day everyone, it's Roberto here from Fanieri Wood Fired Ovens. Thought I'd do a quick video today on this Calabrese 800 wood fired oven and how we cook a pizza in it. This is my oven. It's been here about 4 years now. So I've got a fire going. You can come and have a quick look. I've got a fire going. I've preheated the oven for about an hour and a half, and I've preheated a couple of bits of wood. So I'm going to throw these bits of wood on there. If you preheat the wood, you instantly get a bit of a flame. We've flattened out our dough to about 10 inches at the moment. It's the first stretch. Put a bit of beautiful San Marzano tomato sauce on this. Couple of nice fresh basil leaves. Now when you're cooking at heat like this, oven should be up around almost 500 degrees Celsius. You can put the basil on now, and this is just normal mozzarella that we buy here. I generally use Fiore del Latte, which I'll probably use a bit later on. This is just our first pizza to check if the oven's at the right temperature and how it's cooking. A little drizzle of olive oil on that. So we pull this onto our peel and we give it our second stretch. Try not to push down on the cottonettina. We want to keep all that air in that cottonettina there. Let's quickly check the temperature of our oven. So 398 on the floor. Oh, that's hot. 504 on the roof. This isn't a toy, guys. This is a serious commercial grade oven here. A one-piece dome. It's the Calabrese 800 millimeters diameter inside. Well rendered. It's got a 100 mil thick dome. It's got 50 mils of insulation, and there's probably about another 60 mil of render on this. That's why we get to temperatures of up to 500 degrees Celsius. So let's put in our pizza. So once you put your pizza in, get some crust on it before you start to turn it, otherwise you'll rip it. Right, so now we can start to turn this around. You can see the way that's starting to puff up. That's the biga in the dough. You're going to get a very light, very easy to digest, beautiful dough going to come out of here. Okay, so have a look at that. Have a look at that for a pizza. Beautiful stuff. So there we go. Have a look at that. Have a look at that. Look at that. You cannot do that inside a conventional oven. It's not possible. Let's have a look. Look at the air inside that dough. That is so light and incredible pizza. So Sydney Fire Brick, also known as a Wood Fired Co. 800 millimeter dome oven. You could probably cook 2 at a time. Get yourself a wood fired oven and you can get pizzas like that. Especially with the coronavirus, don't have to worry about going to the supermarket. Don't have to worry about going out to the restaurant. Get a few friends, invite them over and have some pizza. All the best. Ciao.
Even Hannah loves it. You should have mentioned Hannah. She was sitting there.